DX Operational Intelligence supports out-of-the-box integration with DX APM. This integration enables real-time ingestion of DX APM monitored elements, alarms, and metrics into the DX OI data lake. The data ingested can then participate in the out-of-the-box algorithms for alert noise reduction, anomaly detection, and predictive insights. In this video, you will learn how to integrate DX APM and DX Operational Intelligence using the out-of-the-box plugin in DX APM. Before you begin the integration, ensure an instance of DX APM is installed. Note, the DX Operational Intelligence plugin Interscope Enterprise Manager.Properties file is added during the DX APM installation. DX Operational Intelligence must be installed to display DX APM data. The first step for this integration is to update the Interscope Enterprise Manager Properties config file with the DX APM OI Jarvis connection and DX APM OI integration details. The Interscope Enterprise Manager Properties file is available in the DX APM Interscope config folder. Let's see how to configure the DX Digital Operational Intelligence plugin file. From the machine with DX APM installed, navigate to the config folder. Open the Interscope Enterprise Manager.Properties file for editing. Scroll down to the DX APM OI Jarvis Connection Properties section. Here, you need to provide values for tenant ID, Jarvis ingestion URL, and Jarvis onboarding URL. Now let's see how you can fetch the values for each parameter. You can find tenant ID from the Elasticsearch indices. Browse your Elasticsearch URL and search for your tenant name and copy the tenant ID. Return to the Interscope Enterprise Manager.Properties file and paste this value to the tenant ID parameter. Note, you cannot access the tenant ID outside your organization's firewall. To fetch the ingestion URL and onboarding URL of Jarvis, navigate to your OpenShift console, select the project, click Applications, Routes. Scroll down to find Jarvis Routes 8080. Copy the host name and paste the value to the Jarvis ingestion URL and Jarvis onboarding URL. Further, while providing the hostname for Jarvis ingestion, append ingestion at the end of the URL. And for Jarvis onboarding, append onboarding at the end of the URL. You can verify if the Jarvis URL is accessible by adding the Jarvis host entries in the hosts file. Navigate to the etc folder in your Windows machine. Open the host file and add the Jarvis host entries. This completes the configuration of DX APM OI Jarvis connection. Now you need to add inventory token and enable the type of data to be sent to DX Operational Intelligence. To configure these details, return to the Interscope Enterprise Manager Properties file and scroll down to the DX APM OI Connector Properties section. Here you need to provide values for DX, DOI, Alert, Inventory, and Inventory Token parameters. Set DOI, Alert, and Inventory parameters to True, which enables DX APM to send the data to DX Operational Intelligence. To get the Inventory token, log into APM Web View. From the left pane, select Security and click Generate New Token. Provide the label name, select the type, and set the expiration time. It is recommended to select Never Expires and click Generate Token. Copy the generated token and paste it in the Inventory Token parameter of the Interscope Enterprise Manager Properties file. Save the changes in the Interscope Enterprise Manager Properties file. To reflect the changes, restart the Interscope Enterprise Manager and Interscope Web View services. These services are available in the DX APM Interscope folder. Once the services are started without exceptions, the integration completes. Now let's validate the integration. Sign in to the DX Operational Intelligence console using the username, password, and tenant ID. Navigate to the Alarm Analytics page and set the 1-week time range. Observe the list of alarms showing up. Scroll to view the source product column and observe it indicates the data source as DX Application Performance Management. You can further drill down to also view the DX APM metrics by navigating to Performance Analytics. Select the devices and applications, and observe the applications are populated from DX Application Performance Management. In this way, using the DX Digital Operational Intelligence plugin, you can integrate and push monitoring data from DX Application Performance Management to DX Operational Intelligence platform. Thank you for watching this video. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.